when it comes to changing a day scene like this into a night scene, one thing you want to make sure you get right is selecting the right sky and cloud for it. So I want to show you a trick that I like to use. So I'm going to go to the layer, select the main image, go here to the top left, click on select, select the sky. You'll make a selection of the sky, go down here, create a mask. With the mask selected, just invert it. So I'm going to do Control I. Now I'm going to my stock images and I'm going to look for a cloud image. So here's one that I like. I'm going to drag that, drop down to here. Now let's bring the cloud underneath the main image. Just looking at the image right now, it doesn't look right. So here's the trick. Like our main image, go down here, create a new adjustment, select the levels, select the clipping mask. Let's darken the highlights like this. So by darkening the highlights, we have a better idea if the background is gonna fit with the overall image. This one I really like. Now we go back to our stock images. Say we find one. Say this one. Drag it, drop it, bring the size of this up, bring it underneath the main image, and we could just look at it, right? So we have it like this. You could tell it doesn't look as good as this one. Now let's try a different one. This one, drag it, drop it, size this up. So I do like this one. This one could work. But the whole trick here is adding the levels to the main image. Because let's say we just had no adjustment layer on it, and by looking at it, we can't really tell which one's gonna look good. Because to me, they all kind of look the same. Like this one, it doesn't blend in because it's too bright. Same thing with this. By just adding the levels adjustment, you can see which one will work and which one won't. So every time you want to turn a day scene into a night scene, make sure you add a levels adjustment to the main image. Then you could drag and drop different cloud images in the back and see which one works better for you.